ARG-WL8 series detectors are the most widely used devices in Streletz-PRO system. Standards and codes require detectors to be installed in most areas of a building. Types of detectors: ARG-WL8O optical smoke detector, ARG-WL8H heat detector, ARG-WL8OH multi-sensor detector. The installation of a wireless detector is performed in 3 simple steps. Open the detector, fix the base to the ceiling, insert the detector to the base. The proprietary design of the smoke chamber is one of the basic technical features that has determined the success of ARG-WL8 series. The smoke chamber is developed and patented by Argus-Spectrum International. Its unique design feature consists of an S-shaped smoke entry and 2 dust traps. The design of the smoke chamber provides optimum air from all directions, a high level of protection against the ingress of small insects, protection of external light sources from entering the smoke chamber, protection of the chamber from the entry of dust and airborne contaminants. In areas where smoke detectors cannot be used, ARG-WL8H heat detectors can be installed. They operate when the temperature threshold is exceeded or when the temperature rises sharply. The ARG-WL8OH multi-sensor is used in more specific and demanding areas, where it is required to continuously sample both the air and temperature in a protected area. The device ensures a high level of false alarm rejection. The detectors are packaged in a cardboard box. Delivery kit includes user manual and fixings. The detector housings are made of white plastic and consists of 2 parts, base and detector. To remove the devices from their base, turn the detector counterclockwise from the base. The base is common to all 3 detectors. The base has fixings for mounting to the ceiling. The ARG-WL8O differs from other ARG-WL8 series detectors by its housing shape. The ARG-WL8H and the ARG-WL8OH are complete in identical housings. The ARG-WL8H and ARG-WL8OH detectors have a temperature thermistor. On the rear of the ARG-WL8O, ARG-WL8H and ARG-WL8OH detectors, the following components are located: primary battery, secondary battery under the primary one, programming button. The detector is fitted with a label indicating date of manufacture. The detectors have a 10-year warranty from the date of manufacture. To replace the batteries, open the cover lid and remove primary and secondary batteries. The secondary battery should be retrieved using a small screwdriver. The CR123A battery is the primary cell, and the CR2032 battery is the secondary. On the front face of the ARG-WL8O housing, there are symmetrical air entry holes to the smoke chamber, LED status indicator. The ARG-WL8H and ARG-WL8OH detectors have the same appearance. These detectors also have a temperature thermistor located under the indicator. To dismantle the detector, unbend the clip securing the cover and carefully remove it. Lift and remove the smoke chamber cover. This may be required to periodically clean the detector. Care must be taken not to damage the device. Let's proceed to programming the detectors. The device can be programmed using the free software Streletz-Master or via Translator module menu. Let's consider programming via Streletz-Master using ARG-WL8O as an example. Prior to programming, the detector should be powered up. Remove base from the optical smoke detector and remove battery clip and isolating battery tab and refit base. To program the detector, launch the Streletz-Master software. In order to add the detector to the system, click the translator ARG-WL8TRH. Next, right-click and open the context menu. Select Add, Fire detectors, WL8O. To edit the detector properties, highlight the detector by left-clicking. In the right-hand window, its properties will be displayed, which can be changed. The ARG-WL8H and ARG-WL8OH detectors are similarly added. To program the detector, right-click the WL8O icon, select Programming, Initialize. Press the PROG button on the rear of the detector housing. The initialization window will show the last 4 symbols of the unique serial number of the device. Use the mouse to select the line with the serial number of the detector WL8O and press the Continue button. After successful programming, in the Init column, against WL8O, the plus symbol will appear. To save the configuration file and write settings to TRH Translator, right-click the Apply Changes button. After successful completion of the programming process, in the PROG column, against WL8TRH and WL8O, the plus symbol will appear. In a similar way, all devices of ARG-WL8 series are programmed. After completion of programming, the translator module can be connected to the loop of the fire control panel. The system is ready for operation. The detectors operate at a frequency of 868 MHz and at an approved power of 25 milliwatts. They are safe for people and do not require permissions. The detectors operate in a wireless mesh network and transmit signals via expanders to the translator module ARG-WL8TRH, which is connected to the fire control panel. Have 2 batteries which provide operation up to 10 years. Transmit comprehensive data of their condition, level of dust, smoke, temperature, battery level. The devices have been designed to EN54 Part 3, 5, 7, 25 and 29 and are certified by BRE LPCB. Wireless detectors are easily installed, with simple programming and the rapid fixing of devices, avoiding the use of costly cabling. The ARG-WL8O optical smoke detectors are the most widely used devices. The unique smoke chamber ensures reliability and continuous performance, minimizing valuable time for the service organizations. All ARG-WL8 wireless detectors operate on the Streletz-PRO mesh network, where they simply and easily self-configure, saving valuable installation time. The batteries provide operation for up to 10 years. The use of wireless detectors accelerates installation works, saves on expensive cabling, and fully complies with regulations. Choose Streletz-PRO.